Hi there, I'm Jablonski, and I am so happy to be inviting you to the Mindful Unplug in summer of 2026. This is our 10th running of this beloved homegrown feathered pipe retreat program. Each morning, I'll be guiding mindful movement practices. These are simple, intuitive yoga and somatic explorations that create space for you to listen deeply to your body's wisdom and to the song of your own breath. There's no pushing, there's no performance, there's just curiosity, ease, and presence. Some mornings we'll slip quietly into the forest for contemplative experiences. We let the land itself shape our attention. Throughout the week, we gather for group inquiry, for Dharma conversations, and even for our very popular poetry salon. These are soft spaces for reflection, for connection, and for sharing. What I love most about the Mindful Unplug is just how gracefully everything interweaves. The movement and the forest immersions, along with the rhythm, voice, and amazing nature practices led by my very dear friend, Marsolek. His gifts as a musician and as an educator bring so much aliveness and playfulness to the week. There's just a whole lot of joy. It's a real privilege to co-teach this retreat with him, and we just love creating a week for people that's restorative, that's joyful, and that's deeply human. Please know that this is very much a come exactly as you are retreat. Whether you're stepping into these kinds of explorations for the first time, or you've been practicing yoga, somatic movement, and meditation for years, you're going to be welcome, you're going to be embraced. Come just as you are, and I can't wait to see you in summer of 2026 at the beautiful Feathered Pipe Ranch.
Matthew Marsolek here with Drum Brothers. I'm so thrilled to be presenting again at the Mindful Unplug retreat at the Feathered Pipe Ranch in 2026. It's always a pleasure to collaborate with my dear friend Jablonski and all the magic she brings with mindful movement and embodiment and deep immersions into nature. I'll be bringing my usual offerings of rhythm in the body and rhythm on the drums and freeing vocal expression and song and sharing in the community and rituals that we are going to create together. I hope you consider joining us. It's such a powerful event, and we get to celebrate this community we build together at the amazing Feathered Pipe Ranch near Helena, Montana. I'll leave you with this. Spirit of the wind, carry me. Spirit of the wind, carry me home. Spirit of the wind, carry me home to myself. May all the elements bring us home when we gather together in July of 2026. We'll see you there.